Hello, dear students. Today we are going to understand poem from our Beehive book. Poem number 9, The Snake Trying.
This poem is written by W. Rose.
Most of us think snakes as fearsome symbols of death, but the poet has a different opinion about it. In his view, that snakes are not harmful if they are not disturbed. They make harm to the human body only when they think him a danger for their own life. In this poem, the snake itself becomes a victim of human hardness. The poet develops this thought by requesting people to maintain ecological balance and not to harm any species, in this particular case, the snakes. Since all snakes are not poisonous, they are harmless and attack human beings only in self-defense. Hence, they should be left on their own. They have a right to existence too. In the poem, the poet says that the snake tries to escape from being hit by the stick held by a person who is trying to kill it. The poet wants to say that all snakes are not harmful. Humans have a notion that snakes are dangerous and try to kill them as soon as they spot one, but this is not true. He tells us how a harmless green colored snake tries to hide behind the green bushes in order to save itself. This poem deals with the plight of a snake in a beautiful manner. One day, a snake was lying on the bank of a water body. This water body could have been a river or a pond. Then a human catches the glimpse of this snake that was lying there peacefully. As is expected from any human, this person becomes terrified after catching a glimpse of the snake and runs after him with a stick. Obviously, as one can expect from a human, the person immediately intends to kill this snake. Now, sensing danger, the snake tries to escape from the approaching attack. In order to run, the snake makes sudden curves in its body. Furthermore, the body of the snake is long and thin. The poet expresses his fascination with the graceful movements of the snake. Moreover, the snake glides through the water in order to save itself from the stroke. ये पोयम कहती है कि हमें हमेशा सांपों से डर लगता है, हमें सांप भयानक लगते हैं, लेकिन इसके बारे में जो पोएट है उसका मत हमसे अलग है, उसका विचार अलग है। वो सांप को अलग नज़रिए से देखते हैं। वो कहते हैं कि सांप जब तक इंसान उस पे हमला नहीं करता है या फिर सांप को डेंजर नहीं लगता है, तब तक वो कभी किसी मानव को हानि नहीं पहुंचाता। इस पोयम में खुद सांप ही किसी मानव की कठोरता का शिकार बन जाता है। So now we start the poem. The snake trying to escape The pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin, long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Here, pursuing means chasing, following. Curvings means twisting. The snake tries to escape from being hit by the stick that is following it. As the snake crawls, its body twists and turns, forming fascinating shapes. सांप उस छड़ी का शिकार होने से बचने की कोशिश करता है जो उसका पीछा कर रही है। मतलब एक मानव है, वो सांप को छड़ी से, स्टिक से मार रहा है और वो उससे बच रहा है। सांप उस छड़ी से बचने के लिए रेंगता है। मतलब जब वो सांप चलता है तो कर्व्स होते हैं, तो वो कर्विंग से बहुत सारी अच्छी और सुंदर आकृति बन जाती है। He glides through the water away from the stroke, or let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt, small and green. He is harmless even to children. Here, glides means moves, stroke means hitting of the stick, reeds means water or marsh plants with thick stems. The snake moves through the water in order to save itself. The poet pleads to let it escape and hide behind the thick marshy plants. As it is harmless, the small green colored snake is harmless even to children. सांप खुद को बचाने के लिए पानी से गुजरता है। पोएट रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि इस सांप को, जो पानी के आसपास दलदली पौधे उग चुके हैं, उसमें उसे छिप जाने दे, क्योंकि यह जो सांप है वो हार्मलेस है, उससे किसी को हानि पहुंचने वाली नहीं है, क्योंकि वो छोटे हरे रंग का सांप है जो बच्चों को भी हानि नहीं पहुंचा सकता है। Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Here vanishes means disappears. Till it was spotted and chased away by the person holding a stick. It lay quietly in the sand, in order to save itself. The snake disappears in the ripples of the water and hides in the green bushes of the marshy plants. जब तक उस इंसान ने लकड़ी से उस पे हिट किया, तब तक वो रेत में चुपचाप पड़ा रहा। अपने आप को बचाने के लिए सांप पानी के तरंगों में गायब हो जाता है और दलदली पौधों की हरी झाड़ियों में छिप जाता है। So guys, it was the small poem, right? Or we have to remember few things, right? And the first thing is, the snake was trying to escape the man with a stick. With his thin long body, he runs making sudden carvings. The poet thinks that his curves are beautiful and impressive. To save itself from the blow of stick, he prefers to go through water. He is harmless even to children. He finally vanishes among the green thin reeds. Here we have come to an end. Thank you very much, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.